Planting onions in spring using sets is one of the easiest ways to grow a successful crop at home. We can start with the onions today. We have three different kinds of onion sets: the golden one, white one, and the purple one. There are 90 sets in this package for $3.46. Start by choosing a sunny location with well-drained soil. Onion sets are small, dormant bulbs. To plant them, make shallow holes about 1 to 2 inches deep. Space each set about 4 inches apart in rows that are roughly 12 inches apart. Place each bulb with the pointed end facing up. Then gently cover it with soil so just the tip is at the surface. By mid to late summer, the tops will begin to yellow and fall over. That's your signal that the onions are ready to harvest. Let them dry, cure, and then enjoy your homegrown onions. Plant early, give them sun and space, and onion sets will reward you with a simple and reliable harvest. After planting, water thoroughly to help the roots establish. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. As the onions grow, you can lightly fertilize every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer.